Hello to everyone, this is Anupama. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from derivatives of into first year 1b. Question is root 3 minus 3x into x plus 1 by x. So first of all, we have to take that given expression as f of x. So now, if you multiply these two, what you will get? X root x plus root x by x. Next, minus 3x square minus 3x by x, right? That equals x root x, this 2 times, plus 1 by root x minus 3x square, x cancel, minus 3. Now take the derivative of the function, that is f dash of x is equals to d by dx of x root x plus 1 by root x minus 3x square minus 3. Okay. So here we use two elementary properties. What are those? Here u plus v whole dash of x is equals to u dash of x plus v dash of x. Okay. For these two. Next, for these two, what you will get? U minus v whole dash of x is equals to u dash of x minus v dash of x. These formulas we will use, or properties we will use here. What is that? That equals to d by dx of x root x plus d by dx of 1 by root x minus d by dx of 3x square minus d by dx of 3. Right? So, if you observe here and here, we have two more formulas we can use here. That is u into v whole dash of x is equals to v into u dash of x. Okay. V of x into u dash of x plus u of x into v dash of x. This is one formula for this. Next, this is u by v formula. U by v whole dash of x is equals to v into u dash of x minus u into v dash of x by v square, v of x square. Okay. These are the formulas we will use here for this and this. So that implies what you will get? Vu. So v into d by dx of x plus x into d by dx of root x. Next, for this u by v formula plus here this is u, this is v. So v into u dash means root x into d by dx of 1 minus 1 into d by dx of root x by what is v root x? Root x square. Here what more left? Minus 3 comes out, 3 into d by dx of x square. D by dx of x square minus d by dx of constant is 0. Okay. Here we use three properties, that is derivative of a constant is 0 and derivative of u into v, derivative of u by v. Three properties we have used. Okay. That implies x into d by dx of x. D by dx of x is 1 always. So root x. What here you will get? X into root x is nothing but x into 1 by 2 root x. This derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Next, coming to this term, d by dx of 1 is 0, so this term full 0. And here d by dx of root x means 1 by 2 root x. You will get minus 1 by 2 root x by square root cancel x. Here what you will get? Here use n into x power n minus 1. That is 2 into 3 into 2 into x power 2 minus 1. Okay, no need of writing 0, no value, no. So that equals root x into root x in x, root x times. So what you will get root x into root x by 2. This what you will get 1 by 2x root x. This what 6 into x, that is 6x. That equal to what you will get x, root x into root x is x again. Means root x whole square by 2 minus 1 by 2x root x minus 6x. That implies square root cancel, x by 2 minus 1 by 2x root x minus 6x. Okay. Okay. See here, if you observe, here what is there? 1. Sorry, here plus, no. So 1 into 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 plus 1 by 2. What you will get? 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2, right? 3 by 2 root x minus 1 by 2x root x minus 6x. This is the answer. Derivative of the given question.